Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn company accounts. In company accounts, we are going to learn issue of shares. Students, I am going to start company accounts from the beginning. You can understand very easily. Now, let me see. Issue of shares. Company issuing shares to the public. Company issuing shares to the public for raising capital. Company issuing shares to the public for raising capital. The company issues shares for cash. Company issues shares for cash. Company issues shares to the public. In turn, company collects cash from the public. Yes. So, company issues shares to public for cash. Under that, we have two options. One is on installment basis. Another one is on lump sum basis. Company issues shares for cash. For cash, they have two options. One is on installment basis, another one is on lump sum basis. Say for example, a share value rupees 10. This share money company collects on installment basis. How they will collect? 10 rupees share. On application, a portion of amount to be collected. Then on allotment, one part will be collected. Remaining to be collected on calls. So, company collects the share money on installment basis. First installment is on application. Second installment is on allotment. Third installment is on calls. Say for example, rupees 10 value share. On application, company may collect 2 rupees. On allotment, company may collect 5 rupees. On calls, company may collect 3 rupees. So, totally if we add, we will get what? 10 rupees. So, here company collects the share money on installment basis. Here company issuing shares for cash. Under the cash, they are collecting on installment basis. Next, come to on lump sum basis. Here, the company issuing rupees 10 face value share. Here no installments will be given. The entire 10 rupees, the entire value of the share to be paid only on application. You cannot pay the amount on installment basis. So, you have to pay the entire amount on application. No allotment, no calls. But on installment basis, company collect the share money on application, on installment and on calls. But on lump sum basis, they will not give any installment basis. They will collect the entire share money on application itself. So, company issues shares for cash. That cash share money they can collect on installment basis or on lump sum basis. Next one. So, company issues shares for cash. Then second one. Company issues shares for consideration other than cash. What do you mean by that? Here company issuing share to the public. Then company collects money from the public. But here company issuing shares to some company for purchase of some fixed assets. So, here company issuing shares to some company, instead of getting cash, they will buy some fixed assets. So, here the company issuing share for consideration, company issued share for consideration other than cash. So, company collects money, one on installment basis, another one on lump sum basis. So, on installment basis, company collects money on application, on allotment and on calls. But on lump sum basis, company collect the entire share money at one stage called application. Then second one, company issuing share to other company, instead of getting cash they will buy some assets. Okay, let's we see journal entry for this. Now I am going to teach you journal for issuing shares. Journal for issuing shares. Journal entries. Earlier I said company collects the share money on installment basis. Now we are going to discuss about issue of shares on installment basis. Journal entries. Issue of shares on installment basis. Here company going to collect the share money on installment. The first installment is on application, second one is on allotment, and the third one is on call. Yes, let me see. Now I am going to teach you journal entry. Journal entry in the books of that limited company. Journal entry in the books of limited company. These journal entries are recorded in the books of company. Listen carefully, you can understand easily. If you are thorough with this, you can record journals easily. First installment, I said application. First company will collect share application money. So for that entry is bank account data to share application. Bank account data to share application. So the first transaction, company collects share money on application. So share application money, share application money received. Share application money received. Then that received share application money should be transferred to the capital account, share capital account. What is the entry? Share application account data, share application account data to share capital. Students, listen carefully. Here we are recording journal in the books of that company. The company first collects the share application money. First company collects share application money. For that we will record one entry, bank account data to share application. Then immediately that share application money should be transferred to the share capital. So first entry for share application money received, second entry for share application money transferred to the share capital. So here we can write share application money, share application money transferred to share capital account. Listen students, first installment I said application. In application we have two entries. One is company collects share money. For that entry is bank account data to share application. Then that received share application money should be transferred to the share capital account. Here company collect share money. So this we called cash entry. This we called cash entry. Company collects money from the applicant. This we called what? Cash entry. The received money transferred to the capital account. This we called transfer entry. So in company accounts, in issue of shares, we have two entry. One is cash entry, another one is transfer entry. First we received share application money. Then what I did, I transferred the share application money to the share capital. So application journal over. Next we will move to the share allotment. Allotment concerned, first company makes allotment, then they will collect money. Application money concerned, first they will receive money, then it will be transferred to the capital. But allotment is not like that. First the allotment money transferred to the share capital, then they will collect money from the shareholders. Yes. Now for share allotment, the entry is share allotment account data to share capital. Share allotment account data to share capital. Narration, share allotment made. Share allotment made. Here share allotment made means company sending letters to all the shareholder regarding the payment of share allotment money. that share allotment money, now we are going to collect. The entry is bank account debtor to share allotment. Bank account debtor to share allotment. Narration: share allotment money. Share allotment money received. Listen, student. Application, what we did, we received money, then transferred to the capital. But allotment money is not like that. First, we transferred allotment money to the share capital, then we collected money. So, application entry concerned, first cash entry, then transfer entry. For allotment, first transfer entry, then cash entry. I said company collect the share money on installment basis. The first installment is application. For application, we have to record 2 entry. For allotment, we have to record 2 entry. Then that last installment is called calls. One more information in relation to the call. A company can make 3 calls. First call, second call and third call. So maximum a company can make 3 calls. Then the gap between 2 calls, the company should give at least 1 month. There are very important information is there should be maximum of 3 calls. The minimum gap between 2 call at least 1 month. Let me see the call also. First company will make share first and final call account debtor. Share first and final call account debtor to share capital. Share first and final call account debtor to share capital. Being calls made. Then company collects the call money. For that the entry is bank account debtor to share first and final call. Share call money received. Share call money received. Students,